this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Unboxing Time with the Ramen Raider, the show where I show you what comes in the mail. And today I've got a box from Japan. This is an Umai crate. You can go over to japancrate.com and use the coupon code the Ramen Raider to get yourself a discount on one of these things. They're monthly subscription boxes. I think you can get just one if you want, and or you can get for the rest of your life. So, yeah, let's crack it open and see what's inside. Nice. So upon opening one of these boxes, the first thing you're going to be greeted by is a pamphlet. And as you can see, this is the September 2021 Umai crate. In here, it gives you information on how to prepare all of these different varieties and information about them. If you don't know how to decipher instant noodle instructions that are in Japanese, I wouldn't lose this, so don't. You also get a recipe card that works with some of the ingredients you'll find in the box. Now in landscape. Ooh. Alright, so I'm going to go through each and every item in this box and tell you a little something about it. Alright, to start things off, from Kenko Foods, we've got their Shoyu Ramen. This one is pretty darn good. They talk about how they use 100% vegetable oil to make their noodles. I don't know, they mentioned that that's like a healthy thing, but I mean, it's still oil, but these are really good. So this is a score. And next up, we've got some vegetarian Sapporo Miso Ramen. I always forget the name of the company that makes these, but these are pretty good. Non-fried noodle, animal-free. Yeah, this is good stuff. Nice noodle block too. So yeah, I'm really curious about how this one will be. I don't think I've had the miso yet. And another one in that same range from Kenko Foods. This is their Shio Ramen. Again, this one has 100% vegetable oil in it, and the noodle is good. It's a primo noodle. So yeah, I'm pretty sure I've had this one. Next up from Yamamoto, this is their Tanuki's Father spicy Tankatsu, and this stuff is quite decent. I've seen them offer this in bowl, pack, and I've also seen this stuff as a straight noodle in the long packs. Good flavor, nice Tankatsu, a little bit of spiciness, yeah. And from a popular range by Ace Cook, this is a shrimp tempura soba. And yeah, these cups tend to be rather expensive. I've seen them in stores, especially up in Canada. They've got like all of them up there. And these don't tend to be cheap. So this is kind of a nice premium item. And from Itsuki, this is their Kurume Tankatsu ramen. This stuff, oh boy, if you like really thick, rich broth and a nice straight noodle. It's also vegetarian, which is a nice bonus for those of you who are in that persuasion. And yeah, this is a score. You will love this stuff. If you like tonkatsu, you're going to love it. This one I've never seen before. This is from Itomen. This is yam imo soba. I don't know. Is the noodle made of yam? I'm unsure, but this is definitely from Itomen. Let me read you exactly what it says in here about it. Soba is a common menu item, served hot or cold in stand-and-eat restaurants. Served hot on a colder evening, these noodles made from yam are served in rich soy sauce and bonito broth. Okay, cool. Well, something new to try. And next up, we've got a little Akai Kitsune Udon. And by little, I mean it's like a little bowl. This one comes with fried tofu that's nice and sweet. This will be good. You'll like it. It's nummy. It is indeed nummy. And finally, we have our bonus item. This month's bonus item is Wasabi Bonito Chazuke. Chazuke is a common meal in Japan, and it's super easy to cook. It's commonly made by pouring green tea, dashi, or hot water over cooked rice. A chazuke topping and the spicy taste of wasabi and the rich flavor of bonito are sure to enjoy. Alright, so in this, the September 2021 Umai crate, you get chazuke, Kitsune Udon, Kurume Ramen, Shrimp Tempura, Shoyu, Yam Noodles, Miso, Spicy Tankatsu, a recipe card, and your informational pamphlet. Alright, well cool, thank you very much to the folks over at Umai Crate for shooting this over. Yeah, if you want to get a box like this, go over to japancrate.com, use the coupon code TheRamenRaider, get yourself a discount. They also have a thing called Sugoi Mart. It's spelled S-U-G-O-I and then Mart, M-A-R-T. Google it. I don't know what their URL is. But anyways, you can get individual things from Japan, and they've got a wide array of interesting stuff. So go check that out too. Anyways, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.